In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing Zotero add-on in Micorsoft Word. If the Zotero toolbar has vanished from Word or the buttons aren't responding, this quick reset from within Zotero usually brings everything back without reinstalling anything. Start by opening the Zotero desktop app. Make sure you're in the main Zotero window, not just your browser connector. We'll use Zotero's built-in tools to refresh the Word integration files that the add-on relies on. At the top of Zotero, open the Tools menu. This is where Zotero keeps maintenance and configuration options, including access to the add-on manager. From there, choose Plugins. The Plugins window lists everything Zotero has installed and lets you check their status. You should see entries related to word processor integration here. Even if you don't, the next step will trigger a repair. In the Plugins window, look for the small settings or gear icon. Click that to open additional options. Among those options, select Reset All to update automatically. This command tells Zotero to re-enable automatic updates for all plugins, and importantly to refresh or reinstall the files that connect Zotero to Word. That refresh often fixes a mismatch between versions of Zotero, the add-on, and Word. Give Zotero a moment to process the change. You might see a brief spinner or no visible message at all, which is fine. With that done, switch over to Micorsoft Word and open a document. You should now see the Zotero tab or toolbar at the top. Click Zotero, then click Refresh. This action forces Word and Zotero to talk to each other again, reloading the integration and updating any in-document citations or the bibliography if they're present. It's a simple step, but it confirms the connection is active after the reset. If the toolbar is visible and refresh works, you're set. Try inserting a new citation to confirm everything is functioning normally. The reset you performed in Zotero ensures that, going forward, updates to the integration are applied automatically, reducing the chances of the toolbar disappearing after a Word or Zotero update. To recap, you opened Zotero, went to Tools, then Plugins, clicked the Settings gear, chose Reset All to update automatically, and finally, in Word, used Zotero's Refresh. This sequence repairs the integration files and reestablishes the connection without extra downloads or manual file moves. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to writing with smooth, reliable citations.